Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Shein. So if Shein is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow this simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane's icon on the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email linked to your Shein account. Next, check if the Shein app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Shein and then tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Shein app by press and holding the Shein app icon. Tap on remove app and then delete the app. Then later you can reinstall the app from App Store and then try requesting for a verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Shein's server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Shein. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.